Hi everyone, today I'm going to do a makeup tutorial using new Maybelline Lifter Plump and Glow foundation and concealer. It's a medium coverage, glowy finish with hyaluronic acid, so I'm trying it on my mature skin. I'm almost 45, so let's see how it's going to work on my face. Perfect primer for this foundation is this Catrice because it gives that smooth silky base, glass-like, so I'm going to try it with. I even apply under eyes because it really smooths and blurs the skin and makes these wrinkles and fine lines less visible. I'm using shade 112. It's a little bit darker for me, but concealer is a bit lighter, so it will be a great match. And since I like natural finish, I'm using this nutmeg sponge. As you see, medium coverage, as it says. You see I have this scar. For over 40, never drag your foundation or concealer, just tap and dab gently. Since I'm wearing glasses, see, this spot cannot be covered the best. So I was sick last few days with runny nose and cold, so you see how here it's not even. So foundation done, I think looks pretty good. And I'm going to use concealer. Concealer is shade 20, lighter. So I always apply concealer strategically to lift the face, make lighter parts when it's lifting. So this part here, and here, especially this part because it's dropping. I'm going to use smaller sponge. Be gentle around eyes. You don't want to emphasize wrinkles. So this is combo concealer and foundation. I'm going to use the rest of the face cream products. I will not set my face, only with setting spray, not setting powder. So you'll see how it looks at the end, finished look, using these two new Maybelline foundation and concealer. This is final look, how new Maybelline foundation and concealer look on my mature skin, almost 45, so looks dewy, medium coverage, even a bit lighter if you apply it with a sponge. If you decide to apply it with a brush, it will be probably medium. Doesn't settle in lines around mouth I have here because I was sick, but doesn't have anything to do with the foundation. Buying or skipping? I know there are so many new makeup products, many new foundations, concealers and everything, but if you're looking for a natural finish, mature skin, or everyday look, and you need a new foundation and concealer, I think this would be a great choice for you. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe, like, comment how you like this look, and see you soon in my next video. Bye!